Okay, so now we're going to have a little look at letter formation because I know you, and although you might be very enthusiastic with your writing, sometimes that letter formation gets a little bit iffy squiffy. And it's important, as I have explained to you before, it's important because where you start and end the letters, it might not seem like it matters now, but actually when you get more advanced with your writing and you start to join it up, if you haven't got used to ending your letters in the right places, you won't be able to join them on to the next letter to do nice grown up joined up writing. So it is actually very important. Also make it look neater and it'll be easier to read, so all of you have a little bit of trouble reading it back sometimes, that will help as well. So right now I'm looking at something from Twinkle. Now this one is unfortunately not free to download. There are lots of letter formation things to download from Twinkle. Lots of them are, say, all lowercase all at once. This one is lowercase and uppercase, or capital and lowercase letters. But of course it doesn't really matter if you decide to practice all of the lowercase at once or all of the uppercase, but I just thought I'd look at them all together. So I'm a little bit low on resources here, so this was the only lined paper I could find in my flat, so I'm going to demonstrate writing them on here for you. So we're going to start off with the letter A. Okay, so the sound is A, but the letter name is A. So we start here, like on the screen it shows you. You always need to follow that little red arrow. So we go down, pick the pen up, back to the top again, and then across. Okay, a little one. We start at the top, go around, up, down, flick. Okay, B. Start at the top, straight line down, pen off, back up to the top, around and around. Do a lowercase b, straight line down, back up and around. Give it a tummy, okay? B for baby, baby in the tummy, okay? Now you will see with all of these, if you can see those lines, now the capital letters, they are standing on the line and the top of them are hitting the top of the line, okay? The little ones are sitting just about in between, okay? Just like that. Now we've got curly K, or letter C. So capital goes like that, little one goes like that. Okay, very simple. Same letter formation, just different sizes. D now, or letter D. Straight line down, back up to the top and around. Okay, and then a little one, lowercase. We go around, we go up, hitting that top line there, you see. Straight back down and flick. Okay, now E, or E, and we go straight line down, pen off again, across, across, across. Okay, that's our E. Now little E, we start a little bit middle of the line, up and around at an angle, curve like that, so it sits on the line. Okay, now mine isn't perfect, could have done with being a little bit smaller, but it is quite tricky to hold a phone and record and write, so I'm sure you can all do a much better job than I can. So capital letter F, straight line down, hits the top of the next line, across like that, little f. Now this one comes down past the line, okay, curves over, down and across like this. G. Around, up, down and across. This one confuses quite a lot of you. We haven't done a lot on capital letter G because it looks very different actually, so you have to get used to seeing that one. Little g, lowercase, we go around, up, down, and like f, it curves down, okay? G. Now we've got h or h, straight line down, across, across. Okay, sorry, now that one was down, not across. Now I'm getting confused. Right, okay. Now we've got straight line down, back up a little way, over and flick. That's our h or our h. Now, I or I, okay, we know how to do the capital one. We've done this one a lot. By itself, it is tricky word I, okay? But when we use it with another letter, it becomes the I sound. And now little I, down, little flick, and dot on top. Okay, that's I. Now J. J has to flick the other way, remember, otherwise it's going to be an I, and that is not the same thing. So we start off across, down, and curve, okay? Just going to go back and make sure my pen fill that in a little bit there. That's our capital J, our J. Now our little one comes down again, okay? Right, the ones that go up are called ascenders and the ones that come down are called descenders, but we really don't need to worry about that now, okay? So that's our J. Now, kicking K, straight line down, kick in, kick out, okay? And the same for the little one, okay? It's just smaller, kick in, kick out. I won't worry about doing the complicated one at the moment unless you really want to. L or L, straight line down and across. Little L is quite similar, but it hasn't got the straight line at the bottom. It's got more of a curve. So we go down and a little flick, okay? Right, then or M. So straight line down, pen off. Down, up, down. Little or M, down, back up, over, okay? Then N or N. Straight line down, take your pen off, back down, back up. Now remember, it's not the same as M, doesn't quite have so many ups and downs. Little n, again, very similar to M. Straight line down, back up, over, little flick. Only the one bump, okay? As we sometimes say in class. O or O, big O like that. Little O is just smaller. Okay, then we've got P, capital P, straight line down, pen off, back up and up the top. Little P comes down, down, back up and around. It sits on the line, okay, like the G does back up over there. Now Q over here, or Q. So we're going to go around, make a circle. We're going to go a line through like that. Now little Q goes around, back up, straight line, and then it has this little kickback bit there, okay? It doesn't curve like you're used to with quite a few other letters. Now R or so straight line down, back up. Now you can go back up or you can come round. It's sort of different people prefer to do it different ways, okay? Around and kick out. Little one, straight line, back up, over. Little S. One of the first ones we ever learn. S like a snake, S like a snake. Just a big version and a small version. Then we've got T, capital T, straight line across, straight line down. Little one, straight line down, little flick and across in the middle, okay? So the capital has the hat on top, as I call it, and the little one has the line across the middle. For umbrella or U. Down and up, down. Okay? Sometimes people have this bit on the end. Sometimes they just don't do the down bit. It does depend a little bit. I'm just going to go over that bit because my pen wasn't working so well there. You'll see lots of different handwriting styles around. People can't always agree on absolutely the right way to do things, but this is the most common way and mostly the way we teach it. So, here, down, up, down, little flick. Okay, we just don't put the flicks on the capitals. Very simple. Down, up, nice and strong, and small, down, up. It's just smaller. Down, up, down, up. Little down, up, okay? And then we've got y. These ones are different, the capital and the lowercase. So capital, we go straight line and across. And then the little one comes down, it sits on the line. So we go down and up like a cup, down and curve. And then we've got Z, okay? across. The answer is a straight line. Ooh, straight line. Oh, straight line. Third time lucky. Then we come across in a straight line, but at an angle. Across and across. Okay? And the little one is the same, just smaller. Straight line across, at an angle, and across. So we got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Which one did I miss? I missed one out. I missed out X. Silly me. Oh my goodness. So let's add in X, or the X sound, as we practice so much in class. So very simple. Straight line across at an angle. My goodness, this pen. Straight line across at an angle. Straight line across other way, like that. And the lowercase, again, very simple. There. So I hope you were eagle-eyed enough to spot my mistake before I did. Dearie me, missing out. And that should go U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Let's all sing and dance, everyone. Come, join in and have some fun. Practice your letter formation, my darlings.